All right, got the wheels loaded up, off to get the tires mounted. Let's see how these turn out. Tires I got are the Yokohama Advan Apex summer tire to kind of replace the P0s that are going from 19-inch to an 18-inch wheel. So hopefully with the new tires, a little bit thicker tire, that it will help with some of the ride quality. Not that it was bad before, but you know, having kids in the back, I'm fine, but passengers or kids might not want to be bouncing along in a bumpy road, so we'll see. So I've been driving around with the new wheel and tire setup for a couple days. First of all, the wheels look amazing. I love how it turned out. I was a little worried going from 19 to 18 that the wheels would look too small, but I think with the black finish, it actually makes it feel a little bit larger than it really is. Also, these wheels are super light and feel super durable. I believe these specific wheels are flow forged at 18 pounds compared to the cast wheels that are 30 pounds that come with the car. Shout out again to SuperSpeed wheels. They have a ton of other amazing products at such a good price point. So if you're looking to change your wheels, definitely recommend you check them out. I also love these Yokohama tires. There's definitely less road noise, and the car feels more nimble, and I feel the tires are stickier than the P0s that come with the car. But again, this is all in combination with the car being lowered and with the lighter wheels installed. I definitely recommend downsizing to 18s with a thicker tire, you know, especially if you're looking to lower your Kona. You'll get, you know, a more comfortable ride as well as some improved performance, especially swapping out the tire. You could also go with a 245 wider tire. I went with a 235 just for budgetary reasons, but that's not to say you can't go with a wider tire. Also, thanks to America's Tire in Glendale. They handled and treated the car with so much care. Great customer service. So America's Tire Corporate, if you're listening, definitely give everyone in that office raises and bigger bonuses. They deserve it. Thanks again for watching. Links to all the information are in the description below. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of the new wheel and tire setup. I'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned.